A function is a set of reusable code that performs an action. A function has a name and is called or executed by that name. Optionally, functions can accept arguments and return data. Python includes many built-in functions, one of which is the print function. When a value is provided as an argument to the print function, it displays that value to the screen. You can supply values directly to the print statement or pass in variables. On your screen, you can see that we assign the value apple to the variable fruit, and then we print or display that variable to the screen, and the output is apple. Next, we print a string directly without a variable involved, and that string is orange, and it gets printed to the screen as well. Another built-in function is the len function. When a string is provided as an argument to the len function, it returns the length of that string. Said another way, len returns the number of characters in a string. In this example, the value of apple is assigned to the variable named fruit. Next, we assign the result of len fruit to the fruit_len variable. Finally, we display that value to the screen using the print fruit_len function. Since apple has 5 characters, the number 5 is displayed to the screen. You can also pass the len function directly to the print function and skip the intermediary step of assigning it to a variable. This works because len (fruit) is evaluated first, and its value is used by the print function. You can even skip using variables altogether. In this case, we just call len directly on the string apple. Then we print the value that is returned by len, which is 5.